Today we're back in the gym and I am so excited because we're going to work one of my absolute favorite body parts, and that is the back. Not the booty, because that's like always number one, but the actual back. We are going in with a 15-minute workout with exactly 3 movements. You heard that right, 3 movements. We're gonna get in, we're gonna get out, but we are going to work. One of my goals today is to go a little bit heavier in weight because we're only doing 3 movements and the amount of reps is pretty small. So that is my personal goal. You do not have to do the same. But I do encourage you to bring me to the gym with you so I can work out right by your side and we can knock this workout out together. So let's get into it because it doesn't take me much to fall out of love with getting a workout in, you know? So let's go. Today we're focusing on a killer back workout that's all about quality over quantity. We'll be doing 3 exercises, slowing things down, and cranking up the intensity. Trust me, this one's a back builder. First up, we have the barbell bent over row. This exercise targets your lats, rhomboids, and rear delt. We're doing 5 sets with 8 reps per set. Here's how to do it. Hinging at your hips, make sure you keep your back straight, shoulders back and down, and your core nice and tight. Grip the barbell with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Slowly pull the bar to your lower chest or upper stomach, squeezing your shoulder blades together. And then slowly lower the bar back to the starting position. Keep that going until you complete all 8 reps and all of your sets. Remember, we're going heavier than usual, so start with a weight that you can handle and slowly increase it with each set. Next, we're moving to the barbell lat pull down. This exercise is beautiful for building width in your back. We're doing 5 sets with 8 reps per set. Here's the breakdown. From a seated position, grab the bar with a wide grip. Slowly pull the bar down to your upper chest, focusing on using your back muscles. And then slowly release back up to your starting position. Keep that going until you have completed all reps for all sets. Try to keep challenging yourself by increasing the weight each set if you feel comfortable going up. You'll notice that I'm sitting pretty close to the machine, and that's because I want to make sure I'm working my back muscles. The further you get from the machine, the more work your shoulders have to do, and that is just not our vibe today. Our final exercise is the handle high row. This move targets your upper back and your rear delts. We're going to do 5 sets with 12 reps per set. Let's break it down. For this move, you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, or in a position that's comfortable for you. You're going to see that I will change positions as I increase the weight. Grip the handles with your palms facing down. Slowly pull the handles toward your upper chest, keeping your elbows high. Then, slowly return to the starting position and keep going until you've completed all sets and all reps. And remember, even though we're doing more reps, we're going to keep the weight challenging. To get the most out of this workout, here's a few things to keep in mind. Keep your shoulders back and down and engage your core. Proper form matters, my friend. Nobody wants an injury, and I do mean nobody. Make sure you focus on your mind-muscle connection. Feel each muscle working. Breathe steadily through each rep. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with protein-rich foods post-workout. And make sure you give your back at least 48 hours to recover before you train it again. Oh my gosh, that workout, it kicked my backside, my actual back, my booty, all the things, but it felt really, really good. So at the beginning of this video, I told you that it is a 15-minute workout, and that is true. It's designed to be a 15-minute workout. Mine took a little extra time because, as you can see, I am going very slowly, And each set, I gradually increased my weight. So for some of these movements, I increased 5 pounds at a time. And for some of these movements, I increased just a couple of pounds at a time. But let me tell you, I felt every single one. Doing the high row really was like fatiguing my hands. Enter my beautiful, delicious husband, who reminded me that we have Versa grips, which is this little baby right here. So you saw me use them. This took all the pressure off of my hands. Feel free to let me know if you have questions about these in the comments down below, and I will answer them for you. I can do a separate video on this. I am sold. So I had a total of 5 sets of the high row. And honestly, after the second set, my hands were just like killing me. And it's really tough to make that mind-body connection and focus on the muscle that you're working and trying to build when another part of your body is fatigued, such as my hands in this case. So using these Versa grips, game changer, very happy. So all in all, that workout was fantastic. It is meant to be short. I am going slower in all of my movements. That is intentional. I am really trying to build up my time under tension. I've talked about that in a few of the other videos, but again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, let me know. I am happy to answer these questions for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell, because all that really supports my channel and it means the Versa grip to me. I will see you next time. Mwah.